So I'm gonna make you fish curry, dry fish curry, dry fish. I don't know what this is called. Uh, in Tulu we say this is kolatar, dry fish. Let me show you how they make this curry. First thing is that you have to remove the head like this and keep it over here. You have to clean the inside one at a time like this.
It breaks off very easily. Don't have to put any pressure or to remove the head or to clean it.
So after remove the head, you can give this to your cat or crow. Crow is this. So after you remove the head, you have to rinse it in water. At least you need to keep it for 5 minutes. That time you can see all the which you have not taken. It comes up. I found 2 heads which was not supposed to be in this. And throw it off. Then my hand is clean, so you have to stir it. All the salt which we don't need, and it cleans off the fish before you cook it off. So you can see the water changing, all this which we don't want, bad thing. So it cleans off the fish. Can see the fish now. So do like this. Now you keep it for 5 minutes. 3 tomato, you need to wash this. 3 green chili because I like spicy food. So let me clean this off. I'll show you the best way to clean this off. Cut in the middle like this, and one thing you have to do is just peel it off like this. You'll get the proper way to clean this. Done. Now 3 more to go.
Now we have to cut this end and this end. pieces. Onion is ready. Tomato. Tomato is done.
Now it's time for chili. I don't make cut. I just do like this. You can see all the gaps in the middle. The time it goes inside and gives a nice flavor. One coconut.
Coconut is ready.
So you have to cut this from this like this. Ta-da. It's all coconut flour. This was not bought outside. See, I showed the coconut. This is what we do in South India. In Mangalore, this is how we take the flour from the coconut. So this is called puli. I don't know what they call it in English. So you should not put the seed. You have to press it like this. Then this chunk of puli is more than enough for this curry. Here you can use soya sauce also. Then the coconut one up the same flour. Then turmeric. La, 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 la. Then dhania powder. Then chili. I like spicy, so let's put some more water. I think this is more than enough. Close the lid.
This is not ready yet. Few more spin might do the work.
Now let's remove the cap. Ooh, smoky. Smoky. I don't know you guys can see the smoke or not. Now this is called a nice thing. Keep it over here. You can see now the texture is proper. So throw all the waste water which is in this and rinse the fish. So this is how it looks after you rinse it fresh. So take a thing, no, remove it. First thing first, fire in the stove, keep it, let it heat up. Once all the water gets evaporated by the heat, I'm using coconut oil, because coconut oil, just pour like this. Keep this in slim. After putting garlic, oh, it's gonna explode. Ooh, 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 ooh. Some green chilies, then the onions, stir this until it gets golden brown. Stir it, stir it, stir it. Lot of good smoke. Then add, once it's golden brown color, add tomatoes. Stir, 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 stir. Heat the volume from sim to full. Then stir, 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 stir. Put some fish masala. I'm using SRS, which available in Mangalore. I don't know anywhere else you get. You can use other fish masala as well. Stir it well. Mix it. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. I like the smell of onion. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So today is Sunday, so there is no gym. So I'm making curry because I have to. Morning I eat oats, so this is Sunday special. So night I'm gonna eat oats again. So once in a while, if you eat boiled rice which you get in Mangalore, and South Indians like rice to eat. Some people eat 3 times a day: morning breakfast, afternoon lunch and dinner, and some people 2 times, lunch and dinner. But as of now I'm doing dieting, so that I lose weight. I don't eat rice at all. Only Sundays I eat. That's why I'm making this curry, or else rest of the day, afternoon, I'll be working, so I'll be eating chapati outside. So today's exception बनता है, exception तो बनता है. Don't mind the background voice, that's my dad speaking in phone. Then put the masala. So there are a few over here. What thing you have to do is put some water into it. Put some water. Should not waste. Oh, sorry. Oops. Should not waste all this. Take a spoon and put all this thick masala and stir it. Oops, I put it again. I'm making a lot of thing over here. Just clean it off. That's what chef do. I'm a home chef. Then put this water over here. This is thick, so you have to stir it. Stir, 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 stir. This is very thick, so put more water. People who like thick curry, they need not put water. So I'm gonna pour water because we are 2 people, so this need to come till Monday. So I'm pouring water. Just look while you pour water. If you put more water, it's gonna be like sambar, Bengaluru sambar. Then this is thick. A little more. Yes, done. Stir it until it mixes the onion, tomato, chili, which was already cooked in this pot. So you can see tomato and onion is still in this. I think it doesn't want to go inside. Yes, go. Yes, let it boil. Oh, I burnt. Once the curry is boiling, pour this. Pour this inside. Stir it nicely. Take one egg. Look at the color. You can see the color yellow, dirty fellow. Now crack it open. It works this way. You can use 2 hands because I'm using camera in one hand. I'm doing like this, and now spread it everywhere. The good stuff. Ooh, the yellow fell. Oops. That goes to my dad. Now stir it nicely. Let it spread inside. As you can see, it's being spread nicely inside the pot, so everybody gets a little part of the egg. Everybody is happy, me happy, everyone. Then stir it properly. Let it boil. As you can see, it's boiling nicely. Put some salt. Without salt, your curry doesn't become good. Now stir it. I'm putting more chili powder because I like spicy. The more spicy it is, the more I like it. Stir it nicely. As you can see, it's getting a nice smell. Oh, I'm getting the nice smell. Now close the lid. Keep it for 5 minutes and the curry is done. This is the finished product. Very tasty. Try it home and DM me in Instagram, Metanoia Shoshin.